Hey guys, just wanted to show you a quick couple of things, and that is how you can do some things with chemicals that we've been using for a really long time. They're not industry standard products, but they will work and they will be very effective. I love industry standard products. Leon Johns has a great surfactant out there. Check it out. It's called Southern, Simply Southern, or something like that. I'll have to give you a list of those things, and I'll do that for you later. But what I wanted to show you is some of the things that I'm using this morning. So if you turn around here, you can see this is a Tractor Supply cart. It holds 400 feet, and that's a reel. That's a mobile reel, so I can get anywhere I need to get to. In a situation like this, I'm parking across the street because I'm going to be shooting these curbs here. You know what I mean? So I don't have to move the truck. I don't have to roll my hoses up. I can park across the street, bring all my stuff over here, and I'm completely mobile. In this tank here, I've got surfactant. I'm using Green Gain laundry detergent, which I find incredibly effective for leaving windows nice and sparkling and cleaning. This is not an industry standard product. This is if you're in a pinch type of a product. Now, I like to use it all the time. It's inexpensive. I can find it at Walmart, and it works, it sticks, and it does its job. It's effective. So we're using in here, we're using just a standard acetone, and that's going to clean up our Sharpie markers and then some shop towels. This extends to 16 feet. We're going to be using that to get to the window, and inside of this is 20 gallons of SH. We're going to put 5 gallons of SH in there because it's a little bit older. It's been sitting for about a month, so it's degraded a little bit, month and a half, our solution. And then we're going to siphon that straight out of 100 feet of siphon hose, connect that to the X-Jet, and this is on an aluminum hand truck. So once again, I can X-Jet this entire house, only move this twice. One of the things I wanted to show you over here is I've got some oxalic acid from Florida Laboratories that's pre-made in there. It's just a powdered oxalic, and I mix that up with some warm water, and that will do my rust iron and sulfur. This is a great product. You can find this at Ace Hardware. Now, this is the liquid. I don't recommend buying this at all. I had some discount cards, and so this was just something that I filtered in to the cart. But this is already pre-mixed, so you don't have to use the powder or anything like that. And that will dissolve all of your rust iron and sulfur, white ox, stain remover. It's oxalic acid is all that is. I don't recommend getting the liquid unless you're really lazy, because it's way more expensive, and you can get much more product out of the powdered, and you can increase or decrease the strength depending on what you're going to be doing. You can see here that we've got this little bit here, we've got some here, we've got a bunch on the house over here, which will be underneath here where your irrigation hits all the time. If you can see underneath there, you see how orange that is? So we're gonna, all of that in there. So we're gonna get all that. And then he's got some here along the garage. So those are some things we're gonna be shooting. So basically, I just kind of wanted to show you the mobile setup, some inexpensive chemicals. That Zep purple degreaser is not a bad degreaser at all. And I don't use a whole lot of degreasers because unless I'm doing a commercial project, dumpster pads are great. Parking garages, absolutely necessary. Oil stains on driveways, absolutely necessary. So, a house wash mix, which is, you can use a 50-50 mix, sodium hypochlorite, water, H2O, and a decent surfactant. The Green Gain laundry detergent is not a bad way to go. It rinses off of the windows and leaves them sparkling clean. I used to use Dawn all the time. I love Dawn, but Dawn is not bleach stable, and so what'll happen is if you have any batch mix left over, it's bad. It will be bad, and Dawn is not good for asphalt shingles, vinyl siding. It strips. It's got such a heavy degreaser in there. It's a great soap. I use it for many different things, but it's not a good soap to use for asphalt shingles or vinyl siding, for instance. It's a great surfactant to use for driveways because it's got such a heavy degreaser in there. So, you know, I would prefer seeing everybody go with industry standard soaps, but not all of us can afford the shipping and the large case costs and stuff like that. So this video is primarily for you guys that are, you know, kind of in a pinch or on a budget or whatever the case may be. You know, we've been doing this for many years, and we know what works and we know what doesn't work. If I had my druthers, I would have a full line set up with F9 products, and I would also have my EBC on hand, and my Gold Assassin, and Leon John's Southern Draw, I think it's called. It's a great soap, really thick. I mean, you mix like a 1/4 cup to 16 gallons of water. I have not used it yet, so I don't know. I just returned from the show, and apparently everybody's ranting and raving. Guys, have a great day. Check out what's out there. Thanks for watching.